Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys what you can do if you don't see like the beanstalk here and you cannot submit any more plants and it says beanstalk decays in 7 minutes. What that basically means is somebody who's already grown it by themselves here, so I didn't help. I can just go up the teleporter and go up here, and I didn't even need to grow the beanstalk. But if you want free rewards, you need to absolutely grow your own beanstalk, and it's going to show once you've grown it yourself. I think it's still going to show if you haven't grown it, like if you haven't helped it grown like 6 times or something. But you can still go up the teleporter even though you don't see the beanstalk, and you can still use the crafting table, as well as you can up your friendship levels with a giant, and also buy items from him. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Oops, I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.